BabyBus.
Baby Panda Car Repair Shop. Hi, I'm Kiki. Please check under the bonnet. Don't worry, let me help you. Charge the batteries. Fill the box with the right product. You are the best. Turn the gear. Amazing.
My car is too messy. Could you clean the inside?
I'll handle that. Put the garbage in the garbage can. The air conditioner is dirty. Wash it now. Apply the air freshener. Wow, this smells so good. Decorate the car now. Awesome! Can you decorate my car, please?
No problem, I'll fix it.
Tire now. Change the lamp. Select stickers of your liking. My car ran out of oil. Could you please check? Don't worry, let me help you. Amazing! Amazing! The electric tank is fixed. We can charge now.
My car has a flat tire. Please help me.
No problem, I'll fix it. Remove the screws first. Fasten the screws now. Inflate the flat tire. My car is too dirty. Can you help? I'll handle that. Remove bacteria from inside of the car. Wash your car using a brush. Move the valve to clean the car. Wash the car. Baby Panda Car Repair Shop.